How to add page number automatically in InDesign 2026. So as you can see, I have a 17-page document with no page number. Go to Window, click Layers and create a new layer. Double click it and rename it page number. Now open the Pages panel and double click your parent page. Select the Type tool and create a text frame. Then go to Type, insert a special character, markers, current page number. Now increase the font size and adjust the position to make it visible and clean. Go back to your document page and double click any page. Now see, all pages are now automatically numbered. No manual work, no stress, just professional result in second. Thanks for watching and follow for more InDesign tips.